What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. We're going to be talking March obsessions. This is the best in beauty and lifestyle for the whole entire month. First thing we gotta mention, this is Itsjudytime here on YouTube. It's her collaboration with Walgreens and my hair is falling out. I know she has a couple different designs for makeup bags. I like how she incorporated a lot of her Filipino roots into creating these makeup bags, and I was really leaning towards there's like a pink weekender makeup bag, but this is the one that I felt like I could use more on a daily basis. So I love how it has the floral print. It also has the pink outlines as well as rose gold hardware. So when you unzip the first pocket, you have an area here for your brushes, and just excuse it is a little bit messy. I did use this during our road trip last weekend. So I really like how it has this plastic flap. Also, the fact that it has this little band, so you can place this over the plastic flap and your brushes won't be flinging around when you open it. It does hold quite a lot of brushes. I actually stuffed this a lot more with brushes. It was definitely overstuffed. This side, it even has a pocket right here, which I just kept some of these under iPads, and I think I even put a highlighter palette in here. It still fits. It still zips up. I definitely overstuffed this. Now, as for the bigger compartment, this one I really maximize the space. It also expands, so you can fit a lot of things in here. You can also just kind of wipe down the material, so you don't have to worry about it getting stained. Congrats to Judy on her collaboration makeup bag, the brand The Wet Brush, but this is a marble print wet brush. So anybody who is obsessed with marble, you need this brush in your life. You can brush your hair when it's wet and it doesn't pull, it doesn't tug. Highly recommend the wet brush because they come in different sizes, and now it's available in this beautiful marble print. I kind of just mentioned them last week, but I have to say I've been really just loving these. The brand RK by Kiss. These are the same makers of the Kiss lashes. These are called the Forever Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Tippy Toe, Trust Me, Dune. I am wearing Dune today on the lips. My lips might look a little bit more on the chapped side. Actually, my lips were bleeding earlier, so there's like a little spot right there. Just because I haven't been the best to my lips this week. These are super affordable. They are $1.99, available at your local CVS. I have been seeing the displays popping up at different CVS locations, so definitely keep an eye out for it. 2 weeks of having these lip products in my purse, and the unfortunate thing is that the really beautiful packaging on this is already peeling. This is Trust Me. These do dry down to a matte finish. They have a kind of like a candy scent to them, and it has a doe foot applicator, which also has like a little dip right in the center. You want to make sure that you apply a nice thin layer of this product and you should be fine. This one is called Tippy Toe. It is a little bit on the patchier side. Out of the three that I have, Tippy Toe is definitely my least favorite, I would say. And then the one that I'm wearing today, which is my favorite from the bunch that I picked up, it's called Dune, which is this really pretty kind of nudie pinky color. Another one I wanted to mention from the brand RK by Kiss. This is one of their lip liners. This is called the Perfect Precision Lip Liner. This one is in the shade Totes Pink. It's 99 cents. It's a retractable lip liner, which I am also wearing today. I lined my lips first with this color. I just layered Dune on top of it. It's a really pretty pinky color, and it glides on really smoothly on the lips. Really pigmented makeup revolution. These are the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealers. I have C6 and C8. These have a fat doe foot applicator. I like the way how these apply because they're really nice and creamy. C6 I use to highlight and conceal underneath the eyes. C8 is more of like my spot concealer. I use it as my eyeshadow primer. People were saying that these are like dupes of the Tarte Shape Tape. In my opinion, I don't think that they are. Just with one layer of this, it's more medium coverage, but if you apply a second layer, it doesn't get cakey and it just conceals and brightens. It's really inexpensive as well. I think it's like $5.99. I think it is a great product. Obsessed with it. I've been wearing the same color nail polish for the past month. Thank you, Mom, for introducing me to this color. So this is from the brand Sinful Colors. It's in the shade called Tempest. It's this really pretty, it's like a taro ube colored nail polish. I think it's perfect for spring, for summer. It does wear quite a long time. I think I've had on this nail polish now for about a week and a half, so that's pretty good. There are little chips here and there, but it's nothing like too significant. These are the new Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palettes. The first one I'm going to mention, which I am wearing today on the eyes, this is definitely on the peachier side, and I love how it has, you know, this really pretty kind of bright pop of blue. Your bone colored shadow, you have a couple of shimmers, you have some matte shadows, really pretty transition colors. I love the way how it also blends out. You do get some fallout, but it's nothing that's, you know, detrimental. I mean, it's a really affordable palette. I believe it's like $5.99. I did wear a couple of these shimmery shadows wet. I would wet my brush and then apply it, and when it applied on the lid, it had more of like a foiled effect, which I really liked. The other one, which I mentioned last week in my Sunday Faves video, is this eyeshadow palette also from Wet n Wild called Rose in the Air, which is literally like a dupe of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I did talk about it last week that, for instance, for Red Ochre, you would have to just really build up the color a bit more to get the same color payoff. And it's the new Tic Tac gum. Have you guys seen these? Have you guys tried it? Let me know. Leave me your comments down below. So they're exactly just like Tic Tacs, but they're in the gum form. Since these are super tiny, it tends to lose its flavor, I would say 20 minutes or so. If you were to ask me which one I like better, Spearmint or Fresh Mint, I kind of like Spearmint, but for now I have Fresh Mint in my bag. And last but not least, for my obsessions for the month are going to these bracelets, and they are from the brand Mantraband. Two different bracelets, one that has the gold hardware and it says "Make Today Count," and the other one is in rose gold, which says "Live What You Love." I love the whole meaning and the positivity behind these bracelets. They also have mantra necklaces, which are really dainty affirmations to remind you every single day. They're perfect for stacking. They're adjustable. They have some for men as well, matte black, they have a gray, they have silver, they have different finishes as well, but these are the two that I have so far. I am also a mantra ambassador, but just to let you guys know, I did purchase these on my own even before I became a mantra ambassador. I also have a collaboration giveaway. The giveaway is on my Instagram, so make sure you guys go follow me on there. I'm going to list all the rules in that post on my Instagram and also down below in the description box, and you guys can win a $50 gift card where you can pick out your own mantra band. Thank you so much to Mantraband for hosting this giveaway, and good luck to everybody who enters. Alright you guys, so that's everything I wanted to share with you for my March obsessions. Let me know in the comment area down below what were some of your March obsessions. I would love to know. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, hit that bell notification to be notified of new uploads, follow me on my social media. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the other videos right over here on this side. You guys might like those videos as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.